Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this on Instagram, hit that follow button so you never miss another video. Here's my metallic cut crease. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. I actually was going for a chrome look, but it looks more metallic to me, but I ended up liking the way this look came up after all. And at first I was just going to do the cut crease, but then I decided to add the color above it. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I got the look, please keep on watching. I'm thinking my next look probably will be a reverse cat eye, since I've been seeing a lot of people do that look, and I'm thinking I'm just going to try it with eyeshadow. Anyway, stay tuned, keep on watching. Yeah, so like I said, I was just going to leave it like this, but I felt like I was missing something, so I decided to add that dark purple above it, and I like the way that the look came out overall. Okay, so I normally don't put mascara on before I apply my lashes, but I saw someone else said that it makes it easier to apply, so I tried it, and I don't know, I mean, I guess it was about the same, but the only thing was that my lashes weren't all over the place when I applied the false lash, so I think that I might keep doing that in the future. I did make sure that the mascara was dry because I didn't want the lash to stick to my natural lashes when I was trying to apply it, so yeah. Alright guys, there you have it. Here's the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video, which may be reverse cat eye. I'm not sure what next look I'm going to do. But as always, I appreciate all the love and support, and stay safe everybody. Love you guys. Bye.